Good morning everyone. So yesterday we have completed all the divisibility rules. So now we are starting our exercise 15.1. So what is 15.1 here? So what is 15.1? So first bit, using divisibility rules, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 5, 10 in the given table. What do you observe? So you can fill this. What they are asking, they have given some numbers there, and you have to see which numbers are divisible by 2 and which numbers are divisible by 5 and which numbers are divisible by 10. You have to check, and what you have observed also you have to see there. Okay, so first one you can do it as homework. So first bit you can do it as homework. So second bit, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2. So already we have learned divisibility rule of 2. So what is divisibility rule of 2? At last you have to see the even numbers. So what do you mean by even numbers or even digits? It should be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So if the last number is having as even number, so you can say that is divisible by 2 there. So first you write the divisibility rule there. So second bit, first one. So they are asking about divisibility rule of 2. So what is divisibility rule of 2? We will write first. Divisibility rule of 2. So what is divisibility rule of 2? Last digit should be even digits. That is, even digits are nothing but 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So if the last digit is having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then the number is divisible by 2, we can say. So what is the first one in that? In that A bit is 2144. So this number is divisible by 2 or not, we have to check. So how to check that? So we have to check the last number. So what is the last number here? 4. So 4 is an even digit. So if 4 is an even digit, we can say that the whole number 2144 is divisible by 2. So what we can write here? Yes, 2144 is divisible by 2 because last digit is a even number. Okay, so next one, B bit we are seeing. So what is a B bit? 1258. So whether this number is also divisible by 2 or not, we have to check. So what is the last digit? 8. So 8 is also an even digit. So the whole number will also be divisible by 2. So yes, 1258 is divisible by 2 because last digit is an even number. Now second bit, that is next one, C bit. What is that? 4336. So whether this number is also divisible by 2 or not, we have to check. So what is the last digit here? 6. So 6 is also an even digit. So yes, 4336 is divisible by 2 because last digit is an even number. Next, D bit, what they have given? 633, that is 633. So whether this number is divisible by 2 or not, we have to check. So what is the last digit here? 3. So in this set you are not seeing the 3 number. 3 digit we are not seeing. That means 3 is not a even digit. 3 is an odd digit. So no. 633 is not divisible by 2 because last digit is not an even number. Okay, is it right? So next one, last one, EBIT. So what they have given? 1352. So whether this number is divisible by 2 or not, we have to check. So what is the last digit here? 2. In this set, you are having 2 number. 2 is an even digit. So the whole number will also be divisible. So yes, 1352 is divisible by 2 because last digit is an even number. Okay, so this is our second bit. So what is second bit? We have to check whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So the given numbers are divisible by 2 or not, we have to check. So what is the divisibility rule of 2? Last digit should be an even digits, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So if you are seeing the last unit digit as an even number, that means it will divisible. If it is an odd number, it will not divisible. Okay, so next is third bit. So third bit is what? Using divisibility test to determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5. So already you know the divisibility rule of 5. So first we have to write the divisibility rule of 5 here. This is which bit? Third bit. And first we will write the divisibility rule. So what is divisibility rule of 5? The last digit should be 0 or 5. Last digit should be 0 or 5. So if the number is ending with 0 or 5, then we can say the given number is divisible by 5 then. So what is the first one in that? What is the first one? That is 438750. That is 4,38,750. So whether this number is divisible by 5 or not, we have to check. So what is divisibility rule of 5? The last digit should be 0 or 5. Okay, so what is the last digit in this given question? Last digit is 0. So by saying this 0, the last digit is 0, we can say that the whole number is also divisible by 5. So yes, 4,38,750 is divisible by 5 because last digit is 0. Okay, next one, B bit. What is B bit now? One lakh 79,015. So what is the last digit here? It is ending with 5. So in our rule we are having 5 also. So we can say that this number is also divisible by 5. So yes, 1,79,015 is divisible by 5 because last digit is 0. Last digit is 5, sorry. Last digit is 5. Next is C bit. 125. So what is the last digit in this case? 5 is the last digit. So this number will also be divisible by 5. So yes, 125 is divisible by 5 because last digit is 5 again. Okay, so next D bit. What is the D bit here? 63 lakhs 92,000, sorry, 6,39,210. So whether this number is divisible by 5 or not, we have to check. So what is the last digit here? 0. 0 means in our rule we are having 0. Is the last digit should be 0 or 5. So in our question the last digit is 0. So the whole number will also be divisible. So yes, 6,39,210 is divisible by 5 because last digit is 0. Okay, so next one, E bit, that is 17852, 17,852. Okay, so this one, what is the last digit here? 2. So but in our rule we are not having any 2 number. It should be, the last digit should be 0 or 5. So here in this case the last digit is 2. It is not matching. So no, 17,852 is not divisible by 5 because last digit is 2. Okay, so this is our third bit. Next, we have to check for 10 now. So what is divisibility rule of 10? We have to check. So what is divisibility rule of 10? The last digit should be only 0. If the last digit is 0, then we can say that the given question, the given number is divisible by 10. So first you write the divisibility rule of 10. So this is which bit now? This is the fourth bit. This is fourth bit. So using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 10. So what is the divisibility rule of 10 here? Last digit should be only 0. The units place should be only 0. Then only it will be divisible by 10. So what is the first one in that? First one is, so what is the given number? 54,450. So what is the last digit here? 0. So what is the rule here? Last digit should be only 0. If the last digit is 0, then whole number will be divisible by 10. So right here, yes, 54,450 is divisible by 10 because last digit is 0. Okay, next one, B bit. What is B bit here? 10,800. Again the last digit is 0, so it will be divisible by 10. So yes, 10,800 is divisible by 10 because last digit is 0. Okay, next one, C bit. What is C1? 71,38,965. So whether this number is divisible by 10 or not, we have to check. So what is the last digit here? 5. But in case of divisibility rule of 10, it it should be only 0. So that means it is not divisible. So no, 71,38,965 is not divisible by 10 because last digit is 5. Okay, so next bit. What is the next bit? 70,16930. So whether this number is divisible by 10 or not, we have to check. That is 70,16,930. So what is the last digit here? 0. So that means it will be divisible. So yes, 70,16,930 is divisible by 10 because last digit is 0. Okay, next last one in this bit. What is that? 1010. So whether this number will be divisible or not, we have to see. That is 1 crore 1 lakh 1010. Okay, so what is the last digit here? 0. So again this is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. So yes, 1 crore 1 lakh 1010 is divisible by 10 because last digit is 0. Okay, so this is our fourth bit. Now next is fifth bit. So we have to write the factors here. So what is the fifth bit? Write the number of factors of the following. So we have to write the factors. Okay. So what are the factors we have to write for the given number? This is fifth bit. What is that? Write the number of factors of the following. How many number of factors are there for the given question? Given number we have to find. So first what we will write here? We will write it as number. Which number they have given? Or directly first question they will write. What is the first bit in that? A bit is 18. So first we have to write the number of factors. How many factors are there we have to write. So factors of 18. What are the factors of 18? Factors are nothing but in which table 18 will go, we have to write. So in which table it will go? In one table. 1 18s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Next 3 6s are 18. Next 6 3s are 18. 9 2s are 18. And last factor is 18 here. So how many number of factors are there? Number of factors of 18. Number of factors is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many factors are there for 18? Total 6 factors are there. Okay, so next one. What is the next one? 24. So in 24 will go in which tables we have to find now. So factors of 24. So in which table we can, it will go here. So in one table, 1 24s are 24. Again, 2 12s are 24. Next in 3 table also it will go 3 8s are 24. Next it will go in 4 table. 4 6s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Next 8 3s are 24. Next 12 2s are 24. And the last factor is 24 itself. That is 24 ones are 24. So how many number of factors are there now? Number of factors is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors. Total how many factors are there? 8 factors are there here. Okay, next C bit. What is the C bit here? 45. So 45 will go in which table? So how many factors are there we have to find. So factors of 45. So in which table 45 will go? In one table it will go. Okay. In 3 table. 3 how many times it will be? 3 15s are 45. In the same way 5 table it will go. 9 5s are 45 we can write. 5 9s are 45. 9 5s are 45. 15. 3s are 45 and last factor is 45. 45 ones are 45. So how many factors are there now? Number of factors is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 factors are there for 45. Still 2 bits are there. What are the 2 bits? D is 90 and E is 105. So these 2 values you try it as homework. So we have to write the factors of 90 and factors of 105, and also you have to write how many number of factors are there also you have to write. So the remaining bits we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.